bought some new toys. So fetched 2 sets this morning. Built one set up, as you can see. Just unboxing the other set. So if anybody wants to know, this is how they come. So you've got your caster wheels in there, instructions, another set of caster wheels, another set of caster wheels, another set, so there's 2 in each box. There should be some screws somewhere. Your bag of bits, and then we just build them up. 14mm screws, 14mm nuts and bolts, and you can see in there's washers, and then there's some spring washers in there as well. So hopefully we can put these to good use.